Starting with Product Sync, the plugin can sync products from and to MYOB. Additionally, these syncs can be run manually or will run at an automated frequency. To import products from MYOB, head to the Settings page and ensure this setting automatically import/copy products from MYOB to WooCommerce is enabled. Save the page, and this will ensure that the plugin automatically imports new products from MYOB to WooCommerce. Additionally, you can use the Sync Product Inventory Levels button to trigger this sync manually. Once this sync is run, the products will be imported from WooCommerce to MYOB. Please note, importing product from MYOB to WooCommerce can take some time. To check on the status or to debug a sync that is in progress, head to your Settings page and to the MYOB logs. From the logs, click into your MYOB file and you will see that the MYOB product import process has begun. You can see the number of products that has been fetched and imported. Head back to your products page and you can view the imported products.